Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 8, subject physical science, chapter 5. Students, last class we saw introduction about coal and petroleum, natural resources and coal. Next we will discuss about natural gas. So what is meant by natural gas? Natural gas is very important for fossil fuels. Natural gas is very important for fossil fuels. It is because it is easy to transport through pipes. It is because easy to transport through pipes. So natural gas is very important fossil fuels because it is easy to transport through pipes. So natural gas is stored under high pressure. How to store the natural gases? Natural gases stored under higher pressure, as compressed natural gas, CNG. As compressed natural gas, CNG means compressed natural gas. So natural gas is very important for fossil fuels because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. Compressed means already I told அழுத்தம் கொடுக்கிறது நம்ம மேலே என்ன பண்ண முடியும் pressure கொடுத்து high pressure கொடுத்து அதை என்ன பண்ண முடியும் store பண்ண முடியும். That is the high pressures as compressed natural gases. Next, CNG means compressed natural gases is also used to power generation. CNG is used to power generation. It is now being usual as a fuel for transport vehicles. For example, to transport the vehicle. Transport vehicles because it is less polluting. It is a less polluting and it is cleaner fuel. It is a less polluting it is a cleaner fuel. So natural gas is very important in fossil fuels because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored in high pressure as compressed natural gas, CNG means compressed natural gas. CNG is also used to the power generation. It is used for fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting and cleaner fuels. இப்போ நம்ம பெட்ரோல் பங்க் போய் பெட்ரோல் இல்லை டீசலோ போட்டோம்னா ஆயில் ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ ஆயில் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது to less the pollute and to move the vehicles. Okay, these are used in the natural gas. Next, natural gas is also used as starting materials. For the manufacture of number of chemicals and fertilizer. இந்த natural gas is use ஆகுது. Okay, so next, India has vast end services of natural gas in our country. Natural gas has been found in எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா இந்த natural gas ப்ரொடக்ட் பண்ணுற companies Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. These areas are natural gases resources. Okay, next, some natural resources are limited. Some natural resources are limited. What are the some naturals are revisor? Already I told beginning classes, in introduction classes, what are the natural resources are accessible and inaccessible, like fossil fuel, forest, minerals, etc. You know that coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. You know the coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. It required the dead organism millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the non-reservoirs of this few hundred years, the burning of this fuel is a major cause of air pollutions. Next, in India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Okay, advise people how to save their petrol and diesel. While driving at the tips are: drive at constant and moderate speed. High speed layum pogama, low speed layum pogama. That is to maintain the moderate speed. Next, switch off the engine at traffic lights. Eppa switch off panninom, traffic signal nikkumbodhu enna panninom, switch off the engines. Ensure correct tire pressures. So ensure the correct tire pressure. Adikadi tire oda pressure correct ah irukanu check pannikkom. Next, and regular maintenance of the vehicles. These are the some natural resources are limited. Okay, so students, this lesson is over. I have attached one assignment for this topic. All of you read in your home. So students, daily portions all of you revised. Okay, thank you students.